comparison of decimal. Okay, so now we are going to compare the decimal and decimal numbers with equal decimal digits. If we are having some numbers, so for example we are having a 2.57 and 2.56. So it's having a equal number decimal digits. So we are having a ones, tenth and hundred. 1, 10, 100. So we are having a 3 digits, right? Equal number of the decimal digits. That's only they are telling. So from this, how can we compare 2 and 2 is equal, 5 and 5 is equal, 7 and 7. So 7 is greater than 6. So obviously this number is greater than 2.56. Okay. That's only the given. So the decimal numbers with equal decimal digits. That's only they telling. The decimal numbers with unequal digits. So for example, they are having a 2.56 and 2.577. So if you are having, so ones, tenth and hundredth. So ones, tenth, hundredth and thousand. So 3 digits, right? So we are having a 3 and in this place 4 digits. So it's a unequal decimal numbers. So unequal decimal numbers mean, so I am comparing 2 and 2 equal, 5 and 5 equal, 6 and 7. So 6 is comparatively less than 7. In this place, I didn't have any number means you put 0. I already told, right? If you didn't have any number means put 0. So 0 is less than 7. So compare this number. So 60 is bigger or 77 is bigger? Obviously 77. So 2.560, 2.577. Which one is greater? This place. So this number is less than 2.577. This is only the comparison of numbers. Okay. Then 0 added to the right end of the, so 0 in this place is the right hand, the negative side is left hand. This place is the right hand, this place is the left hand. So 0 added to the right end of decimal digit, do not change the value of that decimal number. 0 added to the right end, so 0 should be added. If it is a unequal means you can add the 0 in the right side. Okay, do not change the value of that decimal. So if you are adding a 0 means, so 2.56 won't change the value. Okay, just a 0 is that number. After a point, if you're putting a 0 means that's not changing the number. That's only they're telling. So 3.300, 3.3 are same. So both the number after the point, you don't want to put a 0 also. If it's put a 0 means that should be equal to the another number. The descending order is 4.95. So what they mentioned, 4.95, 4.91, 4.90. So 4.9. So 4 is equal to 444. One's place is, this number is equal to this number. 9 is equal to this 9. Each and everything is equal, right? So 5 and 1. So 5 is a greater, 1 is compared to 0. Okay, 1 is a greater than 0. That's it. So 5, 1, 0. In order, descending order means bigger to lower. That's why 95, 91 and 0. Okay, we are did. And in this place, compare the following decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. Compare the following decimal numbers and find out the smaller number. So what they given, 2.08. So now we are going to compare and you find out the smaller number. Compare this is nothing but your whole number. The whole number is nothing but first number, not a point. Okay, so whole number. So 2 is equal to 2. 2 is equal, right? Then compare to the ones. Then second one, which one you compare? 10th place. 10th place. This is a 10th, this is 100, right? So 10th place, what you have is 0. 0, 10th place also is, 10th place is equal. And 100th place. 100th place also 8 and 8 100th place is also equal. Fourth, if you don't have any number, you put a 0 and compare. So 1000th place is what? 0. So 6. So 0 is less than 6, right? So comparatively 2.08, 2.086. So final, each and every number is equal, but final number is comparatively greater. This place. So obviously this number is greater. Therefore, which number is lower? This part. They are asking a smaller number. The smaller number is 2.08. Smaller number is 2.08. Okay. Then the second, compare 0.99 and 1.9. So now we are going to compare the first number ones. So in ones place, 0 is less than 1. So obviously that one place is replacing, right? So no need to find out this point. Therefore 0.99 is less than 1.9 because 1 point is greater than 0 point. So the smallest number equal to 0.99. In this place you can compare whole number means first number. Compare the ones place. Compare the ones place is equal because 3 is equal, right? Then 10th place 5 is greater than 3, right? So in this place, are you clear? 5 is greater than. So obviously, so from this place 53 and 35. So are you clear? So 53 is comparatively 35, obviously less. Therefore 3.53 is greater than 3.35. The smallest number is equal to 3.35. Okay, then 5.05. So compare this number. The ones place is equal. Ones place is equal. So in this place 10th place is 0 is less than 5, right? So 0 is less than 5. Obviously this number is greater. Your 10th place is bigger means, okay. So 5.05 less than 5.50. The smallest number .05. This is the smallest number, okay. Then in this place compare 0.5, 12.35, but we know, right? So without this number means you put a 0 in this place. 1 stands 100th place, right? Hundred places 1 is greater than 0, right? So from this place you can understand directly this is a greater than this, because from this part 4.5 is greater than 12.35. The smallest number 12.35. Okay, this is the smallest number. And the next question, arrange the following in ascending order. Ascending order, first we are comparing the whole number. Whole number means first number. Okay, each and everything is equal digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After the point only we are getting 2 number, right? So that's why I'm taking comparing the whole number. Comparing the whole number. So comparing the whole number, what are the number? 2 is a 2 times, so 1 is enough. So 5, 3. So 2, 5, 3. So in this place 2 is a smaller, first, second and third, right? Therefore from this greatest number, from this place greatest number what? 5.32. Greatest number is for 5.32, right? Then move to the 5. The next number is I am taking a 3, because I am taking a first greatest number, the second greatest is 3. Then comparing, how many number we are having? 2 numbers. Comparing 3.52 and 3.25. So I know this number is equal. Then the next 10th place. So we can compare the 10th place. So 10th place 5 is greater than 2. So obviously this is a greater. So therefore 3.52, this number greater means obviously next number no need to find out. So I can directly write 3.25. So in 3 place I know. Then comparing that 2, right? How many number I am having? 2 numbers, 2.35 and 2.53. So I know first digits equal, and move to the 10th digit. 10th place 3 is less than 5. So which number greater? This number. So 2.35 is less than 2.53. So this is first equation, second equation, third equation. Okay, so what they are asking, find the ascending order by using equation 1, 2 and 3. The ascending order is, what is the least number? 2.35. So I know how can we write. So 2.35. The next number is 2.53. The next least number is what? This is a smaller number, right? After this, which one is a greater? This 3.25, then 3.52. The final is the greatest, 5.32. Ascending order means what? Small to big. So 2.35, 2.53. This is a small number. This is a greater compared to this. 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 So in ascending order, how? So this is smaller, right? So 2.35 is less than 2.53, less than 3.25, is less than 3.52, is less than 5.32. That's it. Okay.